Hi, it's Emily from WTI. These are going to be your new favorite walking shoes. If you're looking for that original kind of Danish clog design, but you want something that is at a great affordable price point, you should definitely check out these leather suede clogs from TF Star. I have worn several styles and versions of clogs over the years, over many years, and I've had more expensive ones and less expensive ones. But I gotta say, of everything I've tried, these are definitely among my favorites. They're so comfortable to wear. They have a really nice sturdy rubber sole with a fun design on the back. The suede leather design feels really nice and high quality. And they even have a padded insole, so they're really comfortable on your feet. Of course, they're this classic slip-on clog design, which is super great for busy days, easy comfort, sock, no sock, whatever. This is a very flexible shoe to wear. Since I work as a nurse, I'm always looking for shoes that are comfortable enough to wear, stand, and walk in all day long. And these clogs from TF Star definitely fit the bill. They are really comfortable even if I'm wearing them 10 or 12 hours straight. I also love that this design and style is currently fashionable and on trend, which is great because they're also really comfortable. It's always nice when fashion and comfort collide, which doesn't always happen. These clogs are a great choice for both being trendy and protecting your feet and being really comfortable. I love them. I think you will too, but that's my point of view.